Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've tried booting your computer from a USB and saw the message SBAT Self Check Failed, don't worry. This video is going to walk you through how to fix it by changing a couple of settings in your BIOS. This error usually appears on newer systems when secure boot or formula validation stops your USB from loading properly, especially when you're using Linux installers, recovery drivers, or older boot media. First, you'll want to restart your system and press the key to enter the BIOS. That is usually going to be F2, delete, or escape, depending on the manufacturer of your system. You'll see an option to enter your BIOS or UEFI setup screen. Next, go to the Boot or Security tab and find the option for Secure Boot. Set it to Disabled, or in the case of this HP, we will go Legacy Enabled with Secure Boot Disabled. This lets here USB boot without the SBAT check blocking it. Finally, make sure that you either press F10 or choose Save and Exit, and your system should now be able to boot from the USB normally. Normal SBAT error. And that's it. You fixed the SBAT Self Check Failed error. As you can see, we are now able to boot into our Linux utility. If you want to go back and boot from your Windows system normally, you want to turn back the secure boot option, and that way your system has secure specs. If this idea, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and let me know in the comments what OS or tool you are trying to boot there.